Hey my friend, welcome back to the How to Make Money Online in 2020 video series. This is the What is Affiliate Marketing video. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and get right into this, all right? All right. What is affiliate marketing? So we're going to go over what is affiliate marketing. We're going to talk about affiliate marketing benefits, affiliate marketing details, give some examples of affiliate marketing niches, and how to get started with affiliate marketing ASAP. So what is affiliate marketing anyway? Well, affiliate marketing is really just promoting other people's proven products or services, and you make a commission by referrals. Now, the customer doesn't pay any more money, and you get a cut of it for being like the referrer. So you don't have to create a product or service yourself. You just recommend products or service to your audience or others, and it's a great way to get started with an online business. It's also a great way to add income streams to your other businesses, okay? Now, many companies out there have affiliate programs, and we're going to talk about a few of those. But affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the best business model to start with as a beginner. And it's also a great way to add an additional income stream to your business if you're not already doing affiliate marketing. So some of the benefits of affiliate marketing, well, you don't need to create your own products or services. You just make a commission by recommendations or referrals. You don't have to deal with the product creation, order fulfillment, customer service. In most cases, not even the marketing materials, they're provided for you. Now, it's the easiest business model for beginners, hands down, okay? Now, it's also a good business model for established businesses to add another income stream. Again, you just focus on recommending to others, and they don't pay any more than if they bought directly from the company, but you get a cut because you actually you bridge that potential customer to this company or product, and because you made the recommendation, they are willing to compensate you, the company that is willing to compensate you a percentage of the sale as a commission. Now, all you have to do is Google company affiliate program, so whatever company name, affiliate program, and you can check out their affiliate details. Now, when you sign up as an affiliate, you will get an affiliate link with your unique affiliate ID, and it'll be like some random number. It's usually after a question mark in the URL of the link, like question mark 53282 or question mark Todd G, and that affiliate link tracks your clicks and sales to you. So it's like unique. It's a unique number, like your social security number in the United States, or I think it's called the EIN or something else in outside the U.S. There's some sort of number that's out there that's unique to you, and that's what this affiliate ID is. Now, there is something called an affiliate cookie, and it's not like, something that you eat. It's actually a piece of code that's dropped on your browser, on your device, and it has an expiration time. It has your ID. It has some other details in it, and the expiration time varies from affiliate program to affiliate program. It can be as short as 24 hours, like for Amazon, which I don't like, or it can be 30 days, or it can be indefinite till the browser cache is cleared. Obviously, I like for that cookie expiration time to be as long as possible, because what that does is if somebody clicks on your link, goes to buy that product, and they get distracted, or they go do something else and they forget about it, well, as long as that cookie hasn't expired, if they go back to buy that at a later time, you will get the commission for that sale. You'll get a credit for that sale because that cookie is still there. Now, most affiliate programs, if not all of them, have some sort of back-end affiliate dashboard where you can log in and you can track your clicks, your leads, your sales, etc. And affiliate payouts, it depends on the commission payout from affiliate to affiliate. Some are paid via PayPal, some are check, some are direct bank wire, some are prepaid card, some direct deposit, some do a combination of all of these. Now, many companies have affiliate programs. Some of the bigger ones that I know of are Walmart, Amazon, Best Buy, Bowflex, many others. There's also affiliate marketplaces out there like ClickBank, JVZoo, Commission Junction. There's many others. And then there's many affiliate products, both physical and digital, to choose from, okay? Here's a screenshot of Walmart's affiliate program. I'm not a big fan of Walmart's affiliate program only because they pay such a small percentage. And again, they only offer, there's certain things they don't pay on. But again, like Walmart and Amazon are both, they pay out usually less than 10% on commissions, which I prefer to go with affiliate marketplaces or products and companies that pay out 50% or above. But that's just my personal opinion. Now here's Amazon Associates. It's very, very popular. There are a lot of people that are Amazon affiliates and making a lot of money with it. However, they normally have to sell either more expensive products because the commissions are low, or they got to sell a lot of a little product, of a smaller price product. But again, it's very lucrative. There's lots of people making money with it, and so I mean, to each their own. I just prefer to go with companies and products that pay higher than like the 5 to 10% that Amazon does. Best Buy, it's a very popular electronics company, especially in the US. So that they have an affiliate program. Again, you have to check the details out to look at that affiliate program. And then Bowflex, perhaps if you're in fitness, Bowflex offers high-end, more expensive fitness equipment. So you can become a Bowflex affiliate. I'm not sure what their commission structure is, but even if it's only like 10%, if you're selling a $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000 product, that can be a very good commission on that. Affiliate marketing niches. Niche marketing, this would be like you can add an affiliate product that complements whatever niche you are already in. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you could add an affiliate supplement. You could find a company that sells supplements and become an affiliate for that, and then you make commissions off of offering supplements that complement your fitness, maybe your personal trainer or something. There's affiliate weight loss products. There's affiliate workout products out there. Affiliate exercise machines like Bowflex. Say you're a personal trainer and you become an affiliate for a supplement company, for a weight loss program, for a workout program, and exercise equipment like a Bowflex. If you offer those as part of your complete package of your training, when they purchase those other products, you make a commission off of those, okay? Now there's many affiliate programs in a lot of niches. And there's also like ClickBank Affiliate Marketplace, which is a very popular affiliate marketplace. Here's a screenshot of ClickBank. You can just head over to clickbank.com and you can check out their marketplace and see what they offer. But they have many categories, and you can become an affiliate and sell products in any of those. I know a lot of people that sell off ClickBank, and that's fine. I personally only stand behind and recommend products and services that I purchase and use. And I know a lot of people that just become affiliate on ClickBank and send out the affiliate link, but they don't have any idea what the product's about. I personally don't do that because if the product is really terrible, it becomes, it comes back on you. It reflects on you. But that's just my personal opinion. There are lots of people that promote products on ClickBank. All right, how to get started with affiliate marketing ASAP. Well, if you want to get started today and have an affiliate marketing business set up and running within literally the next 24 to 72 hours, depending on your schedule, there's a product that I recommend that every business owner needs. It's a website/page builder. I talk about this in another video that you have to have a website/page builder in order to have an online business, right? It comes with free training. There's the Funnel Builder Academy. It's affiliate product, again, a website funnel builder. It offers very high commissions. It pays out 80% commissions, weekly payouts. That's another thing on a lot of affiliate products. They don't pay out for 30 days or maybe at least 2 weeks to 30 days. So in other words, you have to wait. You make a sale, you have to wait 30 days, and then they pay you, and then you may have to wait another week before you get paid. Here it's weekly payouts, which is very cool. The payouts are via direct deposit or check, direct deposit or check. It's $25 a month, and it pays $20 per month per sale. So it's pretty straightforward. Again, it's a custom website sales funnel builder. So if you want to have your affiliate marketing business set up today, and especially if you already watched the other video where I talked about the 3 essential things you need to be set up to have an online business, which was a domain name, a website/page page builder and email autoresponder. If you already have this funnel builder, you become an affiliate. It's free to be an affiliate. You recommend it to others, and you can make 80% commissions or $20 per month per sale. How cool is that, huh? Again, you can visit this at moneyinthecloud.com/builder and go ahead and grab that if you want to get set up ASAP. One other thing I like to say about this company, I know the founders of this company. I've known them for many years. And one of the cool things they do is for every $100 that they pay out in affiliate commissions, or $100 you make in sales, I think it is, they buy food for starving children in another country. And so far they've bought over 70,000 meals for starving children, and they take that out of their profits from the company. So I think that's a cool thing, because they're helping to help others in need. And so I just think that's a cool thing. So for every sale every so many sales I make, I know that I'm contributing to a good cause, and I'm helping to feed starving children. All right, here's a screenshot of the Funnel Builder Academy training site. There's a lot of cool training in here. It's free. Once you get the Funnel Builder, this is a bonus. It comes to you as a bonus training for free. Very step-by-step. Tells you how to get everything set up, how to do everything. Can't say enough about this Academy training site. And it's very professional looking. It looks really good. The layout's good. All right, that's it for this video. This was the What is Affiliate Marketing? This is part of the How to Make Money Online in 2020 video series. I want to end with this. Success is out there, my friend. It is there, but you have to go get it, all right? So I'm trying to help you go get that success. Let me stop my screen share. All right, my friend, that's it for this video. Hope you got a lot of value. Don't forget to like and comment below and let me know what you thought. All right, that's it for this video. I'm Todd G, and I will see you, my friend, in the next video.